How to get $100 Tempur Pedic promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Tempur Pedic promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Tempur Pedic. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, coupon follow. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offer. 40% off, 30% off, $20 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you wanna grab, just click on it. So here is the code, copy it. I have selected $400 off. Now I can click on redeem at Tempur Pedic. You will be directed to the official website of Tempur Pedic. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste this code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, make sure to try out other offers as well. In this page, you're going to find tons of offers. Just scroll and check. Likewise, make sure to go through these websites as well because these websites will also provide you working promo code for Tempur Pedic. Well, this way you can easily get up to $100 Tempur Pedic promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.